Hey guys, Ewok Plays Yt, and today we are here doing a Sporcle quiz. Not just one Sporcle quiz, but two. So the first one we're going to be doing is, can you name every player during the Orioles rebuild? Can you name every player to make an appearance for the Orioles from 2018 trade deadline on 7/31/2018 to when they had a .500 record on 7/12/2022? So that's going to be the first Sporcle quiz. There are 146 that we need to get in 20 minutes. And for this one, you have 5 minutes to name all the Orioles All-Stars 2002 to 2021. Well, to 2022. This is after, after Cal Ripken. So we're going to let's do the All-Star first, just to get it out of the way. So now, I'm going to play it. Jorge Lopez. Center field, Mullins. 2019 starting pitcher, Meats. Yep. 2018 shortstop. Who am I forgetting? VR? No, he wasn't. Man, 2018? Well, I might as well just put Machado, because he's going to be on there. Jones. Davis. Tillman? Did he ever make it? He did. Hardy, maybe? Yep. Leaders. I always spell his name wrong. Leaders. Oh, that's a big one. DH. Trumbo? Yep. That's not Nunez. No. Machado was in 2018. Our shortstop. Okay. Scope. Yep. 2016 reliever. O'Day? Well, not 2016. I don't remember any relievers. What's his name? Andrew Miller. No. Man, this is tough. First baseman in 2010. Second, what's his name? Roberts? No. Shortstop in 2006. I don't remember any of the old teams, to be honest. I can't believe I'm not gonna get any. Oh, Paul Fry? No. Dylan Tate? No. This is the old team. Oh, God. I'm an idiot. So this is, I can name all those people in a heartbeat, and these people, but it's the early years. 2014 DH. Who's our DH? Oh, Tomei? No, that can't be Tomei, right? No. Who's our DH? I don't know. 2012 we're leaving. Can I think of Tommy Hunter? God. I think this is all we're gonna get. I should get 2010 first baseman. I should be able to get 2016 reliever, 2014 DH, and 2010 reliever. 2012 reliever. I won't. I am dumb. 2016 reliever. No, I'm gonna go for the 2014 DH. That's one I have to know, right? All I think is Trumbo, Chris Davis. Oh, he was that big. Oh, no. Oh, Nelson Cruz. There we go. I forgot all about him. All right, let's go for 2016 now. Come on. Zach Britton, no? I already have Britton. Why is there two Oh god. It's 2012. I'm not gonna get 2012. 2010. I can't think of another first baseman other than him. Is Harold Baines on here? No. About Melvin Mora. Oh, let's go. I pulled that out of my butt. Oh, Brad Brock. Oh, man. At Brad Brock. Whew. Jim Johnson. Ty Wigington. Miguel Tejada would have been a big one. Brad Brock I should have got. Other than that, Nelson Cruz. That gave me info. I got 76%. Average score is 80%. Whatever. All right. So now this is gonna be the harder one. So let's go from this way. Lopez. Oh, it's alphabetical. I forgot about this. Alberto. Scope. Nope. Machado. Nope. Jones. Zimmerman. Oh. Okay, that's weird. Watkins. Lyles. Means. Who's our other starter? Oh, Bradish. Stevie Wilkerson. I saw a clip with it. Oh, that's the utility. Okay. Mullins. Santander. Hayes. Chris Davis. Trumbo. Cruz. It's not gonna be on there. Man, this is tough. Holy crap. Odor. Ruiz. Diaz. No. What's his name? Nunez. Your Orioles. Oh, Mancini, God. Idiot. Brad, no. Britain. Oh, Asher Wojciechowski. Alright, whatever. I'm not gonna get that. Jonathan VR. There's a lot of pitchers that I'm not gonna be able to get. Man, I got 20 out of 146. This is not good at all. Oh, catchers, God. Rutschman. Severino. There's with a W. I don't know. I don't remember. Bemboom. What's the other guy's name that we have right now? That is awful. Chirinos. Leaders. Oh. This is tough. Holy crap. My God, this is so tough. I'm trying to think of any person, any. Oh, Sean Armstrong. He was on the Rays. He's on the Rays now. Oh, God. Dylan Bundy, Andrew Kashner. This seals the deal. I'm no longer an Orioles fan. Oh, my God. Kashner. I said Fry in the other one. Dylan Tate. What's his name? Cesar. No. Not Preet. Oh, God. Who's the lefty that we have right now? Oh, Cionel Perez. Francisco. Oh, man. How he fell off. Oh, Joey Ricard. Oh, God. Who's the guy that sucks but is doing Stewart? That's it. Did I say Nunez yet? Yeah, I did. What about Tanner Scott Harvey. Okay, well that's that. I got two of them. Who's the guy that went with Tanner Scott? Sulcer. Cole and Bo. Let's go position. We got all the... Oh, Keegan Aiken. Catchers. We got all the catchers. First base. Mancini. Mountcastle. God. For second, we have... for this year, at least, we have Odor. Nevin. It's third base, but still. Shortstop. Oh, that one year we had Jose Iglesias. I remember that. And Pat Valleca. Vakaka. How do I spell it? Valleca. Vala. Ica? Ica? There we go. Oh, Alex Cobb. I'm surprised Zimmerman is not on. Oh, it's two N's. God, I'm an idiot. It's like, why is he not on here? Oh, remember Wade LeBlanc? Man, he was awful. Oh, Jace Peterson. I'm looking at the utilities over here. That's not who I was looking for. We have a lot of utilities. Flaherty? Is he still on here? I don't even... Flaherty. Probably not. I got 12 minutes. My gosh. Miguel Castro. Who's the pitcher that we just faced in Colorado? Michael Givens. I'm missing a lot of pitchers, and I know it. I know Wojciechowski is going to be on. Here, let me just look the name up. Is Asher... Okay, wow. I'm not going to be able to spell that. Oh, man. Hold on. Maybe I can cheat. No, I already got all those people. What? I-E... Oh my god. Waj, Chi, Waj, Chi, Kowski, Chow, no, that should be this. Alright, well I guess she's not on here. Whatever. Got 10 minutes. I'm not gonna get any more whatsoever. Let's just go position by position. DH. Infield. I wish they had the years. That would have been so good. Shortstop, B. Shortstop that starts with A or B. Center fielder that starts with B. Oh, we had Broxton for like a couple days, didn't we? That's the guy. Perfect. Catcher that starts with C. We had Holiday, right? Matt, his name wasn't Holiday. I don't know. Third baseman that starts with F or E. I don't know. Shortstop that starts with F or G. Hardy. I don't know why Nate McLouth just popped in my head. Or Daniel Lowe. Or Alejandro de Aza. What the heck is going on in my brain right now? It's good. All fast Orioles outfielders. That's what I've gone through right now. There's a lot of catchers that I'm still missing. I'm gonna try Wojciechowski one more time. Low. Waj. Chi. Chow. Ski. Whatever. Oh, the guy from that Elias drafted that we kept allowing. Schulman. Schulman. Thomas Eshelman, but I don't know how to spell it. Oh, Brian Baker. Garcia. I'm just naming pitchers from this year. Oh, my God. I'm such an idiot. I've been doing this all this time and I already got it. Oh, no. Oh, Bautista. Craybill. I don't know. I just spelled Crable. Who else has started for us? Oh God, Andrew, Austin Hall, both. Who else is on my? Oh! It's the Aruez. Aruez. God, he's on my list to get rid of. What's his name we brought up for the Toronto game? Kyle Stowers. What's 50% of this? I need the calculator. 146 divided by 2. 73. I'm not getting 73 but in 5 minutes. There's no way. Not unless I look up the answers. This is all I got, to be honest. I'm forgetting so many people. There's 3 out. Wait, no. There's 3 outfielders here, but. Oh, I know who we're. Oh, crap. Who's the shortstop after Iglesias before VR? That Freddie Galvis. That went to. Oh, God. That went to Korea. There he is, Freddie Galvis. I'll be happy if we get 60 here. Oh, we had Velazquez, right? Velazquez. I don't know. How do you spell it? I'm trying to think. What other pitchers do we have right now? Oh, Mike Bauman. That. So we have 60, so I'm good. I can give up right now. To be honest, I was thinking about giving up at 15 minutes, but I'm glad we did it because we got so much more. There's a lot of infielders. Oh my God, Evan. I am such an idiot. Holy crap. There's a lot of infielders and a lot of pitchers remaining. That's where I'm left off. Like this stretch right here in the L's. Or the J to the L's. We had Tommy Lone, didn't we? Oh, we did. Okay. That was just a shot in the dark. He kind of goes with LeBlanc and pitchers that are too old. Okay, so Crable's going to be one of these. It's J to K to L in that range. Kramer, God. There's one. I'm just going to write down... Okay, Mason Williams. I don't know. I was just going to write down normal names, or generic names. Johnson, Davis, Anderson, Sean Anderson. Okay. No idea who that is. I already did Bautista. B. Daniels. Harrison. Jackson. Drew Jackson. I have no idea who that is. Austin? No. Mason. No. Rodriguez. Smith. There we go. Dwight Smith. Okay. I knew it would get one. There's a lot of V's. Holy crap. Look at all those V's. Alright, well, we got 15 seconds. I don't think we're going to get anyone else. We got 67, so we might have got 73 if I tried harder, but got 67. That's almost halfway. That's like 45%. Let's see who we didn't get. 46%. Average score is 32%. Let's go. Alright, let's go position by position. Fernando Abad. Kind of remember him. Logan Allen, definitely do remember. Oh, he's new. He's, like, newer. Pedro Alvarez. Crap. I don't know any of those. Rylan Bannon. So, some of these, Breda, they're both new. Some of these, Tim Beckham. Richard Bly. Okay, I should have got Richard Blyer. Cody Carroll, kind of remember. Nestor Cortez. Okay. Marcos Deplan. Oh, so there was no C. Michael Franco. Logan Gillespie. Kelvin Gutierrez. My goodness. Brian Holiday. Oh, so that's how you spell Holiday. Mickey Janis, the knuckleballer. Okay. Caleb Joseph. Oh, Caleb Joseph. Should have gotten that one. That's Crable. So they must put the Travis Lakins. My God. Zach Lowther. My God. Isaac Matson, Ryan McKenna. Like, most of these Chris Owings are newer people that I didn't get, which is very upsetting. But we did better than the average score. Velasquez. That's how you spell Velasquez. McVespy. Tyler Wells. I knew I was missing a starter. Jimmy Yacobonis. Gabriel Yanoa. Alright. We did better than the average score. Whatever. Thanks guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah. Let me know if you want to see me do more Sporcle quizzes. My gosh. But for now, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys later.